how reason? Just showing you my CPTS 451 Yelp dataset project for milestone 3. So, let's go ahead and open it up. So as you can see, it opens up to this really nice code here with all sorts of SQL queries and code to make the application work. All we got to do is run it. You'll see that it shows up with a nice large window with several points to play with. So the way it goes is the first thing you're going to do is select your state using this combo box. We're going to go ahead and select Nevada. And then we are going to go ahead and select the city of Las Vegas, and the city will then prompt the zip code, and then which you can choose any of them. We will choose 89115. That will then display every type of category that there is a business for in that zip code. So what you're going to do now is just choose one. So to make things easy, we will go ahead and choose restaurants. Now, lastly, we press the search bar and all of the businesses in that category, in that zip code, show up, along with the address, the city, the review count for that business, the review rating for that business, the number of check-ins for that business, and the amount of stars for that business. As you can see, we have 9 businesses in the restaurants category in the 89115 zip code in Las Vegas, Nevada. Now, all we got to do to get rid of all this is just simply click the clear button, and then it all goes away. Now, let's go ahead and pick a different state, city, and zip code. So let's just say we wanted to do Pennsylvania. And we picked, which would then prompt the city to show up with all the cities that are available. We would choose then Pittsburgh. And then let's say we wanted to do 15222. As you can see, there would be some zip code statistics that show up, which are all pretty neat. There are 141 businesses in this zip code in its entirety. The entire population of the zip code is only 4,196. Okay. And the average income is not applicable. The only reason for this is because the average income data is not fully complete for every possible zip code. So, let's go ahead and pick a business that does have a zip code that does have an average income. So, how about 15206? No. Okay. 15212. 13 businesses, a total population of 26,331, and an average income of $75,091.77. The other neat thing that the zip code can do for you is that it can show you the top categories. It will list them in order from the category in that zip code. So as you can see, restaurants, pizza, American, bars, and nightlife are all the same categories that are listed over here. But in this case, it shows you the number of businesses in each category from most to least. So that is neat to know. It'll tell you what's the most popular, how many more businesses there are. Okay, so what can we do from here? Well, lastly, we can discuss the popular business and successful business metrics. Simply by clicking the refresh button here, we will have a display of all of the popular businesses and all of the successful businesses in that zip code. Now, the popular businesses are the businesses in the zip code that receive 70% or more of the total foot traffic. Or in this case, we use check-ins to measure that. So, Cerizal Pizzeria, we can see that it has 3.5 stars, a review rating of 3.38, and 19 total reviews. All these places have the same metrics. Now the successful businesses have the same sort of items. They have business name, number of reviews, and number of check-ins. As you can see, there are no successful businesses specifically in the zip code. So let's go ahead and find one that does. So, all right. So 15203 does have one successful business. Now, successful businesses are defined as a business with a review rating over over 4.5. So 4.5 to 5 is what makes a business successful in the metric that I'm using. So Doce Tecaria is 155 reviews and 194 check-ins. You'll find that the successful businesses tend to have a lot more check-ins. But, okay. Just one more thing I wanted to show. As a user interface bonus, to make sure that stuff doesn't break, if you had selected a state, and then a city, but you did not select a zip code and did not select a category, then pressing any button would not do anything. So pressing the search bar would not do anything, whereas otherwise it would crash the program. Pressing the clear button or pressing the refresh button would simply just have no effect. And it works in any case scenario. So pressing the zip code without pressing category still won't work. And even pressing a state without selecting a city, zip code, or category still won't do anything. Anyway, that is all for my Yelp database project. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll catch you soon.